Hello again, guys, welcome back to my Armenian book channel. This lesson we will do something more advanced than the previous ones, where I introduced you into the subject of the half tones. So we'll take some very much advanced, I would say, exercise, which you don't start practice before you have practiced enough the previous ones from the lesson which was called just exercises, and the lesson which was called half tones. So this one you can of course try out, but you will probably not be very much successful. So this is kind of step number 2. So what is it about? I already mentioned that the half tones are not only practiced and learned to be able to play the Middle Eastern scales, but also to be able to play any basic scale from any note, or even from the half tone which we have on the duduk. So it's very good. It's like opening up the full potential of this instrument to you, and you can feel very much free after you practice this kind of exercise. Before we practiced A major with you, or C major on the duduk notes, starting from 6 holes closed here, the one on the back, and we had this major scale. Then from 5 fingers we practiced B minor scale, or D minor on the duduk notes, and it was also quite simple, more or less. But now, what happens if we have to play the same scale, means the major scale, from B flat, let's say? Do we have this B flat note on the duduk in A? Of course we do. B flat is A sharp, it means it is here. Actually, we could start playing the A major scale from here. Why not? It's very tough, I know, like it's not even like finding the note in the beginning is difficult, but even the start from this as a key note is like triple so difficult. But still you can try. The same with some other notes, like you can start from the same scale, the major scale. So this one would be like B flat major, or A sharp major, and this one, for example, if we start major here, it will be G sharp major. We have all the tones and half tones on the duduk. Why not? So we can try, and we can learn like this the half tones. It's the same as basketball player who loads his legs with some additional, weight, additional load, some, these things, and then he jumps, in order to learn to jump higher. Like this, we can also approach this. Now, if you don't have all this musical theory like easily available in your mind, and you don't remember how to make the major scale starting from a particular note, you can just take some notebook and a pen and start writing down, like, so that you can remember, easily memorize what is this major scale. So here is my notebook. I haven't done it yet. What we need to know, we need to remember the formula of the major scale. It looks like this. Here is our first note, so from the first note to the second, it will be the first tone. No? So it's tone, tone, half tone, 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 half tone, tone. If we play it on A, it is like, so, tone, tone, half tone, then again tone, tone, and half tone. Like this. The same we do with the A sharp. then immediately we go to C, not to C sharp, not to B, to C. Okay? Then we immediately go to D, like this. Then we go to D sharp or E flat. Then we go from this half tone immediately to the second, to that half tone, to F, you know, from D sharp to F. Then we go to G. Then we go to A. And then we go to A sharp. A little bit tracing our lips together. So when we go to A sharp, we take this index finger completely off the duduk, so that it doesn't make any shadow here, because we need to get it completely open, so that it's easier to press our lips, not to press too much. Don't forget it. Just with A, we a little bit making shadow here, and with A sharp, no shadow. Like this. I know it's very tough, guys. It's even more complicated, even harder than if we would play some Oriental scales. So that we play all the half tones, even like jumping from one half tone to another, even skipping the full note. This is very hard. What I'm showing you now. It's like here we did the same. We jumped from this one, from this D sharp, we jumped to this one immediately. Like skipping this, immediately jumping. Like, and from this half, we immediately jump to this half. You know, it's a very good, very tough exercise. Like for like, you know, you will be a Duduk Spartan if you do this. So, and when you already a little bit like manage to do this, you can start doing some sequences or some of those patterns I have shown you before. Like this, you see? And this pattern is very nice. Nice one, isn't it? Nice one. You have seen how hard it can really go if you try to do the very simple thing from another keynote or even from the half tone. You know, the next one we will try to do it from the full note, so it will be a little bit easier probably, but still we will have all the half tones here again. Like we will start to do it from G sharp. You remember this formula, no? Tone, tone, half tone, 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 half tone, tone. And you can also write down the notes here so that you really can memorize it. G sharp, then we come to A sharp, the first tone, no? So immediately you lift this one and half of this. Next one again the tone, so we again have to jump to the half of the middle finger. And then we have the half tone, so we just open it up. And then again the tone. So we come from here immediately to D sharp. And then again we have a tone. Again the tone. And then the half tone. With a little bit pressed lips. Nice, isn't it? Nice. Very nice exercise, very nice exercise. It's like level 80 already, you know, not the level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's just level 80. And maybe at some point you will be able even to play your favorite musical piece starting from anywhere. Like, don't be limited just by playing it from B. Be able to play it from A as well, you know. Don't mind that A minor is more difficult than to do. After you do exercises like that, you will be more free in this. So enjoy, guys. The next lesson probably I will show you how to play A minor, and you will see it already as much easier than this very lesson. Yeah, enough for now. See you in my next videos. Ciao, ciao.